He's videoing.
Can you pet Toby? It's a good dog, good boy.
Toby.
Toby, good boy.
Nice.
Gentle.
Sudden fascination with pockets.
There.
Yeah. So
Toby says thank you.
why don't you give Toby his ball?
Yeah. What?
Toby says
Good. Yeah.
yeah. Oh,
You're not supposed to.
throw it for Toby. Throw it for Toby. Throw it that way. Tell him drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, Toby. Drop it, Toby.
Yeah.
Thanks. He dropped it. You gotta get it. Good. Now throw it. I'll hold this one. You throw that one. Throw it that way.
Throw it.
Throw it for Toby. Throw it for Toby. Throw that one for Toby. Throw it. Throw the ball for Toby so he can chase it. Yay! What about the ball? So he can chase the ball. Is that your shirt? Throw it! Throw it like this. You're not supposed to fetch it, Toby is. Thanks. Thanks.
Bye.
We're done.
Bye.
Oh, you gonna climb the stairs? Show Grandma and Grandpa, Mom and Pop up you can climb stairs. Come on.